His ground is hard. Tried to save it. Man. All right, guys, we're up and running. Oh man, I could have saved that.
This thing is to handle already. So with this extra power, man, now we're gonna have to look at tire selection. Sounds weird, don't it? I don't know, guys.
Might have been a bad move, but we gonna run it because I want to see what it do. I'm gonna take it out here to the field and just let it happen. I might end up going to the parts store, I don't know,
and replacing some gears. That's the worst thing I could think of that will happen. We out here in the field. In the ride, you know my motto, hit the throttle and see what happens. 2200 KB. That's a lot of speed. Whoa! Oh man.
His ground is hard. Tried to save it. Man.
It's got power. Yeah, 2200. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I can say is yeah. If it makes it through this full pack.
It's what's happening. It's just what's happening. It's just what's happening. It's hard to control. Every time it hits a hard bump, it just goes sailing. Okay, I think I'm starting to get used to it now. Whoa. This thing got power. Man. Well, it just stopped running, guys. So, and that was hardly any time.
Gonna try to take it a little more easy. Because I was just holding the throttle down, you guys. I was. I just wanted to see what would happen. Take it a little more easy. I just want to know exactly what I got. I'm not going full trigger now. Not full trigger. Trying to give it a little ground. If I burn this system out or what have you, I hope I don't burn out the ESC. That's the only thing I'm concerned about, really. With the motor, I've had that for a while. You know, it is what it is. I didn't think it was that hot today. I'd love to know what the full speed is. I think that's another thermal shutdown. So that's what's happening. I at least was not hitting thermal shutdown. It may be that this is too much motor for this ESC. It could be that. Or who knows? I know it's not how high it's geared. I mean, well, yeah, I could gear it down. I could go down. Get the 16 tooth pinion in here. Stop. Man, I wish I had my temp gun, man. If I can turn it off and turn it back on and it start running again. I know those are thermal shutdowns. Yeah, that's what it is. So I guess that's really enough on this one. Every time I get ready to stop, I do something crazy to make me want to see if I can do something else. But let's be real, the Valkyrie, even with the little quirks and quirky things that's going on with it, you know, you're talking about a fun ride. This thing is that. It just shut down again. I'm going to accept the situation. I'll blow something up. I just wanted to get it out here and see what it would do with that motor in it. So I'm going to drop it down, maybe a tooth. I'm going to get a 15 tooth spur and put it in here because it doesn't seem to be moving and around and all of that kind of thing. It doesn't seem to be doing that, but it is getting real hot. Yeah, it's got to be somewhere around 200 degrees, guys. I don't want to carry it. I'm gonna nurse it back to the car because I just kind of got in it and just let it happen. I'm gonna nurse it back to the car, like I said, and just kind of do some retweaking. This is the first ride I've done with it since I put that motor in. Now, I could have went with the 1900 kV of this version, just like what's in there, 1900. So it could be that I'm using a too high of a kV rating for it. I mean, it's for 4S, obviously. You know, you can do 4S on it. You can go 6S with 1900 kV motor, but, you know, this thing already heating up. So I may put the old motor back in and just ride that for a while because I wasn't having thermal shutdown. It was getting warm, but I wasn't doing that. So since I'm doing that now, I'm gonna kind of accept the circumstances that this motor set up. Before I take it out, just take it out and give up on it and wait for a 1900 kV. Before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and try changing the pinion gear. I'm gonna drop it down to maybe a 15 because it's clearly way faster, more speed than I need, me personally. I'm sure, you know, it's thrilling without question, but for the sake of being able to get through a full pack, I'm gonna drop the pinion down just a tooth. I'm gonna go tooth by tooth until I stop hitting thermal shutdown, because I know it's not low voltage because the battery, I charged it up fresh last night. It's fresh in there. The Ovamic will usually give me 15 uninterrupted minutes. I didn't make it 5, I don't think, with this. But and it is kind of warm out. The sun is beating. It's been dry. But I think that I don't know. What do you guys think? Shoot me a comment. Let me know. You know what I mean? Go ahead and subscribe. Help a brother out. That's what it's all about. You know, I don't know everything about this. I've been in it for over 20 years, but there's always something you can learn from somebody, because everything continues to change and we don't all, you know, have the same experience. So, but we do have common ones. So you guys shoot me a comment. Let me know what you think. What way should I go? Should I change the pinion? Should I go ahead on and just get a 1900 kV? Should I put a 4074 in here? 2200 kV. Anyway, those are my thoughts. But again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Shoot me a comment. You know what I'm saying? Hit the notifications bell so you can find out what happens next with this thing. This is the Redcat Valkrie. This is TKS Hobby. And you all know my motto: if you ain't crashing, you ain't bashing. As you see, I do a lot of crashing. That's why I say that. So, again, you guys be safe and be blessed. TKS Hobby signing out. Peace.